Welcome back, my lovely subscribers. Today, we're diving into question 5 in our CKA exam hands on practice series. This is a big one because without a CNI, Kubernetes networking simply does not work. In this lab, we install and configure a container network interface of our choice, Flannel or Calico, using the exact manifest files provided. No Helm, no shortcuts, just pure YAML, exactly like the exam. Let's get into it. But hold on, there are basically two ways in which this can be asked, and whichever method the answer to these questions remain same. The question read as install and configure a container network interface CNI of your choice that meets the specified requirements. Choose one of the following CNI options: Flannel v0.26.1 using the manifest, Calico v3.28.2 using the manifest, v3.28.2 manifests slash Tigera dash operator YAML. Ensure the selected CNI is properly installed and configured in the Kubernetes cluster, or as install and configure a container network interface CNI of your choice that meets the specified requirements. Choose one of the following CNI options: Flannel using the manifest, v0.26.1 cube-flannel.yaml, Calico using the manifest, Calico slash v3.29.2 manifests slash Tigera dash operator dot YAML. Ensure the selected CNI is properly installed and configured in the Kubernetes cluster. The CNI you choose must let pods communicate with each other, support network policy enforcement, install from manifest files, do not use Helm. Before we touch the terminal, let's explain what exactly is a CNI. A CNI plugin is responsible for cluster networking. Without it, pods cannot communicate with each other. Pod IPs are not assigned. Workloads stay in pending state. The cluster is basically dead. The CKA exam loves this because it tests cluster troubleshooting, YAML application, fundamentals of Kubernetes networking. In this question, we must install one of these two options. Not only do we need to install a CNI plugin, we must install a CNI that also supports network policy enforcement. And in Kubernetes, that means one word: Calico. Let's break it down and get this working exactly the way the exam expects. Flannel does not support network policies. Calico, full network policy support. That's why Calico is the required choice for this question. So the exam objective here is install Calico using the official manifests, verify CNI ports are ready, verify network policy enforcement works, no Helm, no shortcuts, just YAML. Exactly what we're going to do now. Let's generate the environment using our helper script. Now our environment is ready. Let's check for network policy by running this command: curl-sl, copy and paste the Flannel link, and grep for network policy. We notice no output, so Flannel is out of the way. Now, let's recall the command again to verify Calico. And from the output, we can confirm outpick. Now do the same for network poll. Next, network. Now we apply the Calico configuration that sets up the networking with this command. By recalling this and then run kubectl apply-f. Check Calico pods with this kubectl get pods -a grep Calico. Let's test pod-to-pod communication to ensure the overlay network works correctly. Create two BusyBox pods. kubectl run test-a-image equals busybox-it-sh. Inside, we run hostname exit. Now create the second. kubectl run test-b-image equals busybox-it-sh. Inside, we run ping test-a exit. If ping works, networking is correct. And that completes question 5 and 6. We installed Calico from manifest files, exactly the way the CKA exam expects. And we validated both networking and network policy enforcement. This is a high impact question because Kubernetes networking is the foundation of everything. And now we know exactly how to solve this under exam pressure. In our next video, we're moving to question 7, where we install Argo CD using Helm without installing CRDs. If you want to practice these CKA questions exactly the way I'm doing them in this video series, fast, clean, and exam ready, I've packaged everything for you into one complete zip bundle. Inside the file, you will get all the resources I use throughout this training, fully organized and ready to deploy into any Kubernetes environment. This bundle saves you hours of setup time and lets you focus only on mastering the hands-on exam tasks. Here's exactly what you'll receive when you download it. All 18 CKA scenario YAMLs, full scenario setup script, README for all 18 questions, detailed guide, individual README files, Q1 to Q18, optional add-on, full ingress gateway API migration files, exam PDF, references, your complete CKA scenario practice guidebook, docx plus PDF. Bonus, Google Doc index file. Who this bundle is for? CKA candidates preparing for exam day, students practicing on Killer Coda, Minikube, or Kind, engineers who want clean Kubernetes lab scenarios, anyone building their own hands-on DevOps portfolio, content creators teaching CKA concepts. Why you should get the bundle? Instead of wasting hours creating YAML files or rebuilding scenarios from scratch, you get everything pre-configured and ready to deploy. This is the exact same setup I use in my videos, the same files I demonstrate with, and the same structure that helped me pass the exam confidently. If you want to follow along one-to-one and practice with zero frustration, this bundle is made for you. You can download the full zip bundle directly from my website. Your support helps me continue creating these tutorials, labs, and exam guides so we can all grow together in this DevOps journey. Start practicing like a real CKA candidate. Get the full setup now and follow along with the next questions.
Let's build the future. One more line of code, one dream at a time. From the cloud to the console, the rhythm flows. Innovation lives where the knowledge grows. SD Tech, your tech journey starts here.